Now to our continuing coverage of the coronavirus. St. Louis appears to be hitting a plateau with little gains or reductions in hospitalizations, admissions, and discharges. Over the last 2 weeks, the number of patients in ICU beds has not exceeded 70, but has not dropped below 50. During the same time period, no more than 41 patients were on ventilators, but there were no fewer than 34 who needed the machines to help them breathe. This data comes as we approach the one-year anniversary of briefings from the St. Louis Metropolitan Pandemic Task Force. St. Louis Mayor Krewson says a large-scale mass vaccination event planned for next week should supply enough vaccine to everyone in the city who wants a shot. News 11 medical reporter Dan Gray is live downtown with details. Dan?
Yeah, Mike, the crews from the Federal Emergency Management Agency will soon be here at the Dome at America's Center to set up for that mass vaccination clinic to begin next week. That clinic expected to vaccinate about 100,000 people.
We think that that's going to be able to reach almost everybody in the city of St. Louis who wants a vaccination.
The FEMA event is expected to vaccinate 168,000 individuals in the city of St. Louis in an 8-week period. The program will launch April 7th and give shots to about 3,000 people a day from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. 7 days a week at the Dome. The site will be open 2 days before all adult Missouri residents will become eligible to receive the shot. Both the 1- and 2-shot vaccines will be given out, depending on what is available.
This is new vaccine. It's being brought into the area, not coming out of the state's current allocation, which is running a couple 100,000 doses a week.
Missouri Governor Mike Parson was in the St. Louis area today. He expects the delivery of vaccine to the state from the federal government will increase over the next few weeks.
We hope in April, if things go according to what we believe is coming out from the federal side, if we can get up there at the state level around 250 to 300,000 doses a week, that we will change the needle by the end of April, considering that's just the state portion. Then with what the federal side of it's doing, we should be a long way down this path by the end of April.
Now, if you are interested in registering for an appointment at that large-scale FEMA vaccination clinic that begins next week, you can go to the state website, which is covidvaccine.mo.gov/navigator. If you don't have access to the internet, you can call the hotline to register 877-435-8411. In downtown St. Louis, Dan Gray, News 11.